Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix suspended Instagram account. So if your account got suspended and you've been looking for a way on how to get it back, this video is for you. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can simply get or fix your suspended Instagram account, how you can get it back. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Instagram, then tap on the profile icon, then tap on the three line menu at the right top corner. Tap on it, then take it straight down to privacy settings and activities, then scroll the road down, then tap on account status. So right here, check the list of this green button. If any one of these is on red alert, then just figure that this is the main reason why your account is being suspended. So just tap on this tap on learn more about account status. Tap on it, then to take you to Instagram help website where you can simply go through the appealing process. Then right here you can simply how to request a review if you think Instagram should have not taken down your post, or maybe there's a specific reason why your account is being taken down. So just tap on this, then from here you can message the terms, you can message the Instagram help center. This is Instagram help center. You can message the Instagram manage your account, then staying safe and privacy security report. Just tap on privacy security report, then report reason why your account is being suspended, and you can simply appeal for your account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.